friends, it's Wendy with the Wendy Moore, and I am here with my unboxing for, believe it or not, my July order. Here we are getting close to the end of August almost, but life has been happening, so a little bit delayed on it, but here goes nothing. So several of you have probably already seen when I get a box that's this size, you know it's going to contain Ningxia Red. So absolutely, this is my month. That was my month to order Ningxia Red. We'll be doing some travels in another month and a half, and want to make sure that I have, first of all, my daily supply, but then I can't go without, which this box got a little smashed in the shipping here, but I can't go without my individual packets. When I order on Loyalty Rewards, which is what this order is, it means it's a monthly shipment. Now, I don't get the same things every single month, certainly not Ningxia Red, because I don't go through the packets and the bottles that quickly. But this is a Loyalty Reward bundle that's not available unless you order it through Loyalty Rewards, if that makes sense. So you get 32-ounce packets. So that's a lot of packets, and it will certainly be enough for our travels. And then you also get 4 bottles of the Ningxia Red. They are 750 milliliter bottles each, and we get 4. So these will go in the refrigerator and get chilled and delicious for tomorrow morning's breakfast. So next up, I'm going to start pulling this stuff out here, is my Pure Protein Complete. After convention, I fell in love with the Power Meal, but Power Meal cannot be purchased on Loyalty Rewards right now, only through a shop order. So I went ahead and continued with the Chocolate Pure Protein and got 2 of these. I'll take one of those bags with me when we travel. And I also got a bottle or a canister of our Balance Complete, just mixing things up a little bit, seeing what my body responds best to these days, because we're constantly evolving and changing. So in addition to that, I got our Golden Turmeric. Golden Turmeric, as we all know, turmeric is great for anti-inflammatory, and it tastes delicious. I love this in my shake, and if you haven't tried it before, I think we gotta undo it here. Yeah. Gotta get to this is such a micro-fine powder. It mixes beautifully with whatever you put it with. That beautiful golden color. And the taste. Mango rose. Yummy. So delicious. So that is our Golden Turmeric. And then I also got Omega Gies. These are our fish oil capsules. Okay, just show you these. They're not too terribly large. Let's see if I can get them in the palm of my hand. That's 2 of them in my hand there. They're not large. They're easy to swallow, and they contain such great stuff for us that's going to help supplement everything that we need for our supporting cognitive function, supporting our joints and muscles and everything else. Just love our fish oil because it doesn't taste or smell overly fishy, and that's a beautiful part of that for sure. Then we got some freebies, and this month there were a lot. I got more freebies, I think, than I got products ordered. Our Feather Diffuser is one of the freebies. Oops, sorry, Feather. Didn't mean to do that to you. Let me just pull him out of the box quick. Feather is my grandchildren's favorite thing in their room. When they come over, they always want Feather turned on. And one of the things that I love about Feather is that Feather has this adorable little face. We customized ours. We put eyelashes on him. But Feather also is a sound machine. It's got the sound of forest and of rain and of animals chirping, birds chirping, and the ocean. And the kids absolutely love to have this on in their room. And their favorite oil is Sleepy Eyes, or they love Dreamcatcher. Oh, that's our free owl diffuser. It's also got various light settings, so the kids get to choose what light setting they want, and they love having that control. Then we also got, I'm kind of going backwards as far as point value and what was what. That was for having 300 PV. I got the feather diffuser. And we also got a Thieves hand sanitizer and a Thieves spray. This one is so great for travel when you want surfaces that maybe aren't as clean as you would like, or you want to make sure they're cleaner than you'd like. You can apply Thieves just in a convenient spray. So think about doorknobs, toilet seats, and public places. And then convenient Thieves hand sanitizer for travel as well. Kills 99.9% of the germs, and we're able to say that because it's been tested scientifically and shown to be true. So that's a big feather in our caps. This is a really cute little pouch. It's a felt pouch, and it will hold 3 5 milliliter bottles of oil. Very well made, very sturdy, and it's got a cute button closure to keep these in your purse or maybe throw in your kid's backpack. And then we've got some oils. As I said, I got a lot of freebies this month. First up is our Kids Scent Kid Power. And next is our Kids Scent Sleepy Eyes. So feather and Sleepy Eyes, they go together beautifully, and that'll go in the kids' room at home, because they don't have a diffuser in their home, in their bedroom at home. So, and then of course, Kid Power is an oil that even a lot of us adults enjoy. So that is my July loyalty rewards order, and stay tuned for my August. I've already gotten in 2 shipments, shop orders, and I will be getting in my loyalty reward order. Processes on the 26th. So I'll see you in just a couple of weeks with our August order. Have a great evening. Thanks for joining me. Bye.